Alang sa mas gipalapdan nga paghatag og impormasyon dinhi sa Sugbo, Sunstar Publishing Incorporated nakig-alayon sa Hanging Rice. Gipahigayon ni adtong Miyerkules ang contract signing kauban si Sunstar Publishing Incorporated President JJ Neri ug Hanging Rice owners Miriam Pacaira, Ermeline Arias ug Leylan Rumarate. Pinaagi sa content partnership, mabasa na sa www.sunstar.com.ph/feature ang latest listicles kon list articles sa bisan unsang topic sa syudad ug dakbayan sa Sugbo.
Hi, I'm Yam. I'm a craft blogger. I'm not from Cebu, but I've lived here for more than half of my life. I'm mine. It's a nickname. I don't like my first name.
Hi, my name is Lay. I own and maintain my Cebu photo blog at WordPress.com.
We've been friends for a long time, and one time we were chatting on Facebook. I think, yeah, we had this brilliant idea to combine our blogs, and that's how Hanging Rice was born. We thought that we could make a go at it, making a blog about Cebu, because we like the city.
So we have listicles or list articles, but we also publish infographics, and sometimes we do interviews.
We just brainstormed about a name, and we came up with like several candidates about what people might associate with Cebu in general. And when we came up with Hanging Rice, it just felt right because puso. Cebu is basically known for puso. Among other things. Among other things, yes. We're the first blog partners of Sunstar. Yay! Okay.
No, we don't sell puso.
Char.